Mary, what do we have here today?
Today, we got the Battle of the Wheaters.
That's right. We're going to be starting off with the Weller Special Reserve coming in at 90 proof. Then we're going to go to the Penelope Wheated coming in at 95 proof. And then finally, the Bardstown Origin Wheated mash bill coming in at 106 proof. So the question is, which one are we going to prefer? Because all of these are very hyped up bottles.
And we have already poured them and they're mixed up. So we're going to do these blind.
Yep. So any tasting notes or whatever, we don't know which bottle it's going to be.
We don't even know if we'll be sampling the same glass at the same time.
So, but we'll find out at the end. So let's go ahead and start on our right and work our way to the left.
Does it matter? Because we don't even know what we're drinking.
Okay, whatever. You do you. Okay, just for the record, all of these are fresh cracks.
Yes, just popped them.
Okay, very sweet on the nose. A little bit of citrus, maybe.
I got a bubble.
It does coat very well on the glass.
Mine's got a pretty, almost like an amber color.
Yeah.
And it does have some pretty good legs that are coming down here. There's striping in legs.
Maybe a little fruitiness, but definitely the brown sugar's coming through on this. Overall, this one's really nice.
Mine has, it's like baking spice on the nose. It's a little ethanol forward on this one.
All right, that first one, everything from the nose translated to the palate. Little heat in the back of the throat, but I mean, the lowest proof one we have here is 90. We got 90, 95, and then 106.
This one's a little warm in the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet, but that's the wheat for you. But it's like a sweet heat on this one.
Yeah.
It's
on this one right here, I'm getting second sip, that initial like heat in the back of the throat, it's not there. We did not acclimate before we did this, but it's simple sweetness. I mean, it's good. Not a whole lot of complexity to it.
This one's got, it's got a fruit note in the back. It's not overly sweet. It's kind of a, I don't know how to describe this one. On the finish, there's like a plum finish.
Okay.
Like a slight plum, little baking spice.
Mm-hmm.
On the nose, it's just a little ethanol-y on this one. Maybe it's just because it's a fresh crack and it just hasn't had a chance to open up yet.
Could be. All right. Well, you're finishing up your glass one.
Overall, it's a pretty good pour.
I'm going to go into glass two. This one coats very well. It's not really making legs. It's holding on thickly to the side. About the same color of amber.
Okay, this one's doing the same thing on mine. It's like a light amber.
Ooh.
And it is coating the glass. There are slight legs trying to form, but I don't know if you can actually see that there is a definitive line running across here.
Mine's starting to form legs now. I'm getting almost a vanilla cream soda on this one.
Kind of it's the ethanol's not near as strong on this one.
No, it's not.
But I'm getting almost like a pear note with vanilla.
But all the way around, I'm getting that vanilla, creamy, sweet, and I'm liking this nose a lot. Let's see if it goes to the palate. It does. It translates to the palate, but it brings in baking spices, sweet oak.
This one's lighter. It coats the mouth really nice. It's got some sweet notes, like all your sweets, tanglies are on the tongue. It dances on the tongue.
It does. There's no burn in the back of the throat, no hug.
No, that didn't even really burn. It was like warm, but not really, but not like a sweet heat. This one's more just a sweet.
Now, after the first sip, I'm getting more like a fruit cocktail, that mixture of pear and peach and apple and all of that. But I still get a heavy vanilla on it as well.
I think I like that one a little better than I did the first one. Because on that finish is a lot longer. And now it's kind of fruity.
Yeah, that one definitely surpasses it. And the legs on this thing is unreal.
See, I don't have legs like that on this one.
Yeah, that one's definitely way above the first one.
See, and my first one was darker than my second one. My second one was a little lighter amber. I mean, it's almost like an apple cider color.
Yeah.
Where this first one was more like a light tea.
Yeah. All right. Number 3 in the lineup. Definitely a little bit darker.
Yeah, this one seems to be, it's lighter than my number 1, but it is darker than my number 2.
Now this one I'm getting bubbles on. Okay, this one's a little sharper.
See, I had bubbles on my first one.
Yeah.
That might be the same as what I had first.
I don't know.
But I'm ranking this one above this one right now.
All right. On this one, it's sweet vanilla, but I'm also getting almost a butterscotch. Still getting some of that fruit vibe, like a fruit cocktail, light fruits like pears and apples.
I'm getting a little ethanol on this one too. Having to get some air on it. Kind of blow out the ethanol a little bit to see if I can get some better notes.
This one has a more pronounced brown sugar note to it.
Okay, now that I'm blowing into the glass to try to put a little bit more air on it. Okay, this one's coming out with like a peach note.
Yeah. Like a peach cobbler note or something?
Not
or
quite.
just bright peach?
Just kind of like a peach. And maybe a little brown sugar. Almost like if you did a peach creme brulee.
Now this one right here is the more complex of the 3. I'm getting sweet oak. I'm getting, some dark brown sugar notes. Vanilla, creaminess. This one is just all around very, very good.
This one's a creme brulee on the mouth. This is very desserty.
I like this a lot.
Got a little bit of heat in the back. I'm getting some vanilla notes and some notes of cinnamon. Okay, I think I might like this one a little better.
I do. It's more complex. It's got everything the other two had, but dialed up, and I like that.
Well, I'm thinking I'm liking this one a little more. I like that one more than that one. I gotta go reverse now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 for me.
Okay. So your middle glass is your first place?
Should I see which one I chose last?
Honestly, between these two, either one of these, fantastic. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the first one over here. Just, to me, these have more complexity to them, and they offer a little bit more, especially if you're a bit of a whiskey nerd like me. It offers you a little bit more to search and dig into it.
I'm not a whiskey nerd.
No,
I just like what I like, and to me, this is a great pour. I rank it least because it's just so drying, and I don't mind that. But when I have 3 great pours in front of me, I want what tickles my fancy the most.
Exactly.
The one on my left was a great pour. It's very peach forward. It's a little more drying and my middle one is more pear forward, like that, but it makes my mouth water. So that tells me that my mouth likes this one a little better.
All right. So all right, let's see what we have for our third place.
Number 3.
Number 3. For me, my third place is going to be the Weller Special Reserve. Your third place was the Bardstown 106 proof.
Wow. The ethanol was really forward on that one.
Okay. So let's see what second place is. For me, it was
Number 2.
All right. So we both selected.
Our middle one was the Penelope.
The Penelope Wheated. And I tell you, that vanilla note on that is outstanding.
I chose number 1 as my number 1, and it's Weller.
Not just Weller, the Weller Special Reserve, the one that's most commonly available.
Oh my gosh.
My number 1 was the Bardstown Wheated. I like the complexity of it. Now, my favorite of the Weller lineup is the 107.
I do love Antique 107 myself.
And I'm really considering doing a head-to-head with this one and the Penelope.
But that's
against the 107.
Crazy. We love Penelope products, of Valencia especially.
By the way, have you heard that we're doing a giveaway for subscribers? That's right. We are knocking on the door of 100 subscribers. And when we do, we are going to be giving away that Buffalo Trace store pick. So in order to do that, it's one simple step. All you have to do is subscribe. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, because very soon, because we are getting really close, we're going to be doing a giveaway for this bottle. If you're interested in this,
subscribe, because once we hit 100 subscribers, that is going up.
You get the whole bottle, not a sample.
Yep.
Now,
as long as you're in the continental U.S. We can't ship abroad.
We definitely.
And pairing wise.
Oh, pairing wise on a weeder, I could see doing a Sweet Jane by Drew Estates. I could see doing any type of sweet wrapper. CAOs has several of them. My father has a few. Oh, the Oliva Series M would be great with this. What about you?
On a cigar wise, I don't want anything too sweet because I really want something kind of complement it. And I like those groovy blues for something like that.
Okay, I could see that. Now, food-wise, I tell you, I could have a chef's salad and be happy with this, or some fish. I wouldn't necessarily go as high as a heavy beef.
To me, for these pairings, I'm thinking for each one of these, or they're interchangeable. I could go with a side salad, but give me a pizza. But I would like a Hawaiian pizza. A lot of people don't like Hawaiian pizza.
Pineapple on pizza.
The pineapple and the ham with the sweetness of these, I think would really vamp that up, and that's where I'm at.
I will retract my previous statement. Something did pop into my head. I could see fajitas with a weeder. You know, especially if it's like a seafood fajita.
Okay, I could see if I do like a Baja taco, like a California fish taco.
Sushi, like a California roll would be great.
I was thinking like when we do the fish tacos and we do that slaw.
With the slaw and everything.
So we do a sweet slaw to go on top of that. So I could see that to go with it. I mean, because weeders are not over the top. They're more sweet. So you kind of want something that's a little savory sweet to go with it.
All right. Well, I think we've taken up enough of their time today, Mary. So let us know in the comments which one of these you have selected if you've been fortunate enough to try these. And don't forget about our giveaway. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and sign off.
We only have this one life to live.
So make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey.
Until next time, our friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.